Only real reggae people stay here. So if you're still tuned in, this one is for you. Because reggae was never just music, it was message, it was movement, it was freedom. From Peter Tosh to Burning Spear, from Chronics to Sizzler, this is the sound that carried truth across generations. Not hype, not trend, but roots, culture, and consciousness. So wherever you're listening from right now, lock in, because the vibration starts right now. Drop your country in the chat, and if you're staying for real reggae, subscribe to Reggae Hour. We do this for the culture.
BOSS Radio. BOSS Radio.
I hope everybody's out there having a good day. This Monday, so let's start the week off right. You know what to do. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that share. Show love. We're gonna be having all types of music today. Going to get a copy with Peter Tosh first. Then move on to some Marshall Griffiths. Maybe this is going to be a rocking one. Rocking Monday morning. Yeah, I heard. But this is for every day of the week. So no matter when you're tuning it in, just make sure you turn up and zone out.
Greetings, Master, but this is Tasha T representing for the Reggae Hour, you done know.
As Mr. Flavor, I am proud to bring to you Mr. E, the music maestro.
Boss Radio to the world. Boom.
Let's get it started with some Peter Tosh with Jaga.
Yeah, though I trod through this valley, I will fear no evil. Yeah, though I trod through this valley, I will fear no evil. Jah guide, Jah guide, Jah guide, Jah guide, Jah guide. I choose this valley, but I know He will when I'm trotting through that valley. I know He will. Though my enemies fight me every day, I still don't fear. I don't fear no evil. Though my enemies set traps in my way, I will fear no evil. 'Cause I know Jah guide, Jah guide, Jah guide, Jah guide, Jah guide. I choose valley. I know it will. I'm trotting through this valley. I know it.
Hit me clip, baby.
Samba reggae, rockin' Jamaica, samba reggae, jumpin' Bahia, samba reggae, jammin' Africa, samba reggae, Afro-America, samba reggae, toca repique, samba reggae, jinga, samba reggae, pule, samba reggae, meshi, samba reggae, rockin' Jamaica, samba reggae, jumpin' Bahia, samba reggae, jammin' Africa, samba reggae, Afro-America, samba reggae, rockin', samba reggae, jammin', samba reggae, jumpin', samba reggae.
Reggae Island is going hard. I've been listening to lately. I need y'all to give it up for the talk, baby.
Bless my heart, oh Jaja, guide I through the day. Lead me into your righteous hands, to the most high I give praise. Over yonder it be greater to see my King's face, Lord. Bless my heart, oh Jaja, guide I through the day. Thou art my portion, Jah Rastafari. I entreat thy favor with thine own heart. Be your merciful unto I, according to your words. I make haste and sometimes forget to pray. Then I say, now who am I to judge or complain? Even when the hands of the wicked had robbed me, but they cannot steal my flame that burns deep within. I know Jaja will make a better way. Now I say, bless my heart, oh Jaja, guide I through the day. Lead me into your righteous hands, to the most high I give praise. Over yonder it be greater to see my King's face, Lord. Bless my heart, oh Jaja, guide I through the day. Jah never let me down, Jah never let I fall. Jah keep me on higher ground, even when my enemies wanna get me out. Oh, I might keep my faith in Jah. Sorrow might comes in the night, but I know joy will be there in the morning, waiting on you, my friend. Now it seems like them forget them foundation, roots and culture for burn Babylon. Them slave get the youth and figure sleep in a diamond. Some may get to know the whole of them are pagans, but I say there have to be a revolution. Me now get caught up in all them solution. I burn them division and them devil slogan. Them can't come trick I am man. Hey, hey. Bless my heart, oh Jaja, guide I through the day. Lead me into your righteous hands, to the most high I give praise. Over yonder it be greater to see my King's face, Lord. Bless my heart, oh Jaja, guide I through the day. Bless my heart, oh Jaja, guide I through the day. Say lead me into your righteous hands, to the most high I give praise. Over yonder it be greater to see my King's face, Lord. Bless my heart, yeah, Jah. Hey, 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 yeah. Say bless me, Jah, Jah. Bless me, Jah, with your love, yeah. Jah, Jah, bless me with your loving overflowing, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Say bless me, Jah, Jah. Bless me, Jah. Notice, yeah, yeah. Hunger in life, we have to give praise, yeah, yeah. To the one who gave us life, yeah, yeah.
Reggae Island, bless my heart, oh Jah. Hope y'all starting the week off right. We're gonna keep it going now with some Sizzler. Couldn't come among us. Living in the reggae album.
Yeah, man, show them amongst us. Is on the mind. Come amongst us. Alice last said they can't come in like the rest of the world. Come amongst us. Come block my knees, the jaw of the earth. Me nah give up the peace and struggle so it's hard. You go swoop no jump amongst us. I know. Go down my man standard. Oh, please no. We need us. I nah give up the peace and struggle so it's hard. Me so set them complex like no more. Hey, no, go to war. Me standard. Hey, run them outside your yard. They couldn't come among rumble. Heal man a lion out of the jungle. Yo, Babylon, another man, you go fumble. Coulda know the judgment it got tumble. Couldn't come amongst us. Them two coffee hey, chat the next thing on my mouth because they couldn't live amongst us. For life them never got no hope. Rasta teach them out in Babylon. You couldn't come amongst us. Hey, young who are you fast? You are the ghetto youth. Come amongst us. You couldn't come amongst us. Cause you too covetous. Hey, Babylon you malicious. Come amongst us. Ghetto youth are very fast. Black youth them not nervous. Oh, me like the fire Babylon a fool no. But mother let her go fool no. Kill the youth I got like say I never soon no. Oh yo, judgment I don't do no. Oh hey, find out who are the wolf 'cause them go puff. Yo, I go proof and you say them tough, say them wicked and not chest them go talk the ghetto youths burn them up and tell them say them soon up. I know I don't know you make your future mess up. I know I don't know you make you know the glass up. I know I don't know you make your pocket it no catch up the ghetto youth up pass through splash them up. All because you're living too malicious, all because you're living too envious, all because you getting so gravalicious. That's why you go end up where you go end up. Babylon build them bars and them handcuff. We kill another you, the whole of them all are set up. Oh, yeah. Babylon where you they do them, yo get up. And Rasta burn you out and now your face go make up. Now them your time, yo. You don't know who if you trust you. Say them are your friend and you head them walk bus. Oh, yeah. Babylon, the judgment I get so precious. Burn your rampus, couldn't come amongst us. Come amongst us, so vicious. So them chat another thing. Come amongst us, couldn't come amongst us for life. Come amongst us, so round Rasta man them can't come. Them couldn't come amongst us. Come amongst us, hey yo, 'cause them move like rumpus. Black woman amongst us, she amongst us. Hey, judgment, but tell them I know. Give up it's a struggle, though it hard. They go please, not a junk card. Tell them oh, I know no one understand Lord.
Now play by the king of his all iron eye serves in the bring, you know.
Every time,
consistently,
every lot.
Yeah.
Hey yo, me is a youth, no in a hurry.
No.
Me love me chickpeas and me tofu curry. Job bless me belly full and me never spend no money. 2 big pack chai when me get from me mommy. She never sent Elizabeth, she said baby no worry. Them fresh vegetable Tony Rebel couldn't carry. The only thing she want is another big tune. So call Ricky Cho, papi put it on tube. Send it on a boom son, baby drop it on speaker. Wait junior bang junior gang for the feature. Mix and release, make we trample the bass. 21 guns a load, trigger finger fi squeeze. You would just love I breathe. And I still life over everything. To the 4 seasons, nothing don't change. Keep the things straight, yeah, we never switch lanes. Positive vibes, yeah, so we do it. Whatever we need, I put that we fit. Gotta wipe out while man I make plans. So in all things, and we have to give thanks, and we have to give thanks.
How we say life over everything. I say Lassie over every king. Love over money, money over gun. Give thanks a little over none. Long time we tell them make a muckle. But them a laugh and a chuckle and a buck shuffle. How we say blingin' but not overdone. See they now the cup a overrun. How we say love for all over some. How we say rise up Rasta children and never run. And inspire one another to stand up and overcome and keep showing love forever, never done.
You were just love, I breathe. And I still life over everything. To the 4 seasons, nothing don't change. Keep the things straight, so we never switch lanes. Positive vibes, yes, so we do. Whatever we need, I put that we fit. Gotta wipe out while man I make plans. So in all things, and we have to give thanks, and we have to give thanks. I do them so. They are this Ababa, pick up the stage show. Liquidity grey, Amara, Amoro. Jaja step forward, the devil keep low. Now you ready, let's go, let Babylon in style. Mother and child, multiply bloodline. Everything in its time, manifest it and smile. No organic, same life, fresh from the exile. Times are a-changing, conflict as well. Tension arise, people under a spell. In a land full of hate, we show love to rebel.
Love, love, love,
and we
love,
watch
love,
the world burn down. Yeah, we just love, I breathe. And I still life over everything. To the four seasons, nothing don't change. Keep the things straight, so we never switch lanes. Positive vibes, so yes, so we do it. Whatever we need, just put up with it. Gotta wipe out while man make plans. So in all things, and we have to give thanks. Yeah, we just love, I breathe. And I still life over everything. To the four seasons, nothing don't change. Keep the things straight, so we never switch lanes. And I be our vibes, so yes, so we do it. Anything we need, just put up with it. Gotta wipe out while man make plans. So in all things, and we have to give thanks, and we have to give thanks.
I wanna see you step, 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 step. I wanna see you step and jump. Hey. When I think of all the bitter times I've had, oh God, it doesn't make me sad. Oh no, it doesn't bother me. Strength and honor is all I see. Oh, give thanks unto the Almighty One. He showed me what I had. He said, stand firm and keep the faith. Oh, your reward shall be great. And now I see the day, yeah. When what? When I'm stepping out of Babylon in New Jerusalem, in Mount Zion. Step, stepping out of Babylon in New Jerusalem, in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon one by one, stepping in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon one by one, stepping in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon, stepping out of Babylon. I've got no alternative in a Babylon. But I know, yes I know, and oh someday his children will find a way. Get up and don't let the devil lead you astray. I'm stepping out of Babylon in New Jerusalem, in Mount Zion. I wanna see you step. Stepping out of Babylon in New Jerusalem, in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon one by one, stepping in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon one by one, stepping in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon, stepping out of Babylon, stepping out of Babylon in Mount Zion. You feel alright? For far too long, Babylon have us in derision. I say Africa for the Africans, home and abroad. Take us back to Africa, land of the Moors. I ancestors were rulers before Europe invaded, raided, traded, capitalized on slavery. Exist an ancient place, the black oasis, sunburned faces, most sacred, melanin skins. Conquered kingdom transcending the continent of Africa. From beginning, first civilization of a carbon suffering great pharaohs, stars and kings. Build monuments, erect temples for offering. Astronomical precision, black because of pyramid. Alchemists accessing knowledge of science of gnosis. So make you think they want extinction of the spring toes. Terrorize me country, we can't fix so them can impose them poses. Deprive the nations of them own resource. They pop it while we suffer the loss. Till you better fight for your rights, fight for your life. I as Africans, most are you, now we tell them. Fight for your right, fight for your life. trotting home. Fight for your right, fight for your life. I as Africans must unite. We tell them, fight for your rights, fight for your life. Step we happy, step it out of Rome. We be returning to the place on earth. The sunburned places were inhabitants to first. Fertile land desert. Conquer to rule as Africans. I say we must reverse. This verse is to remain in earth. Thinking we were made to serve the motherland and making earth create the sons and daughters. To restore the heritage and traditions of our fathers. To keep upon the order. Yes, we come to master. Principle of the more and living it pure, the cleanest waters. Ancestors start up. Knowledge that is start up. Indicative to where they're building. Pyramids them after. Riches of the continent strategically planning them to implement them system of them new world order. Man-made disasters, invading, sharing quarters, conspiring to cast a doubt as if black was the last of any race to take a place when in Addis Ababa. But the sector they like force that will commence the ever after. Fight for your right, fight for your life. I as Africans must unite. We tell them, fight for your right, fight for your life. Step we happy, step it out of Rome. We trotting home. Fight for your right, fight for your life. I as Africans must unite. We tell them, fight for your life, fight for your right. Step we happy, step it out of Rome. Take us back to Africa, land of the Moors. I ancestors were rulers before Europe invaded, raided, traded, capitalized on slavery. Exist an ancient place, the black oasis, sunburned faces, most sacred, melanin skins. Conquered kingdom transcending the continent of Africa from beginning. First civilization of a carbon serving with favor stars and kings. Bill money means he waiting to stop offering. Astronomical precision planning cause of pyramids. Alchemists accessing knowledge of science of flow. Systemic to teach them extinction of the spring flows. Terrorize the country we can't take so them can't impose them forces. The private nations of them own resource. Party where we suffer the loss. Tell you happy, fight for your rights, fight for your rights. I as Africans must unite. Fight for your right, fight for your life. Step we happy, step it out of Rome. We trotting home. Fight for your right, fight for your right. Africa for Africans must unite.
Rock and come in.
Right now I'm so happy like I'm in Zion, Zion. Yeah, every queen, every king, lioness and lion. I say we were made from love. We were made from love. We are all created in the image of His love. We were made from love. We were made from love. I love you, Mother Earth, for who you are and what you does. I tell you, sir, everywhere I go, the earth is under my feet. After the rain, here comes the rainbow. Let's hold our vibes and feel the breeze. We can relax and meditate. I'm thinking of ways to elevate. So me now watch, now associate. Cause we were made from love. We were made from love. We are all created in the image of His love. We were made from love. We were made from love. I love you, my
Out to listening to that. Here come of the culture with a brand new chat. Coming from way back. On the culture on the mic. Up on the mic, I'm on she well out of sight. Out of sight, I'm on she full of delight. Full of delight, I'm on she is dynamite. Dynamite, oh when me say DJ, me no mean this jacket. Neither me no chat about beer shake ring. I prefer talk something about reality. And that is why they call me man the DJ man. When me say DJ, me mean a dark rapture. And me come again and like a mother nature. Chanting the roots and nothing but culture. Singer, actress, teacher, what I entertain. On the culture on the mic. Up on the mic, I'm on she well out of sight. Out of sight, I'm on she full of delight. Full of delight, I'm on she is dynamite. Dynamite, they must say vex to make it the license. What that ding, come Richie Banks, get them put a catch me with them poison. What that ding, come Richie Banks, get them vex to them get the license. What that ding, come Richie Banks, them put catch me with them poison. What that ding, come Richie Banks, same on the culture on the mic. Up on the mic, I'm on she well out of sight. Out of sight, I'm on she full of delight. Full of delight, I'm on she is dynamite. Dynamite. Tell me what is good for the young and the old. Good luck and gold luck can rock your soul. Coming from Jamaica, ragamuffin and gold. The half of the story has not been into other culture on the mic. Up on the mic, I'm on she well out of sight. Out of sight, I'm on she full of delight. Full of delight and she is dynamite. Dynamite, come me have the potential. Yes, I'm on me have the potential. In a dance hall, concert and rehearsal. Them call me Sister Carol. And me we mash it as per usual. Say mother culture on the mic. Up on the mic.
All right, this is Conquer Slim. Y'all should definitely check out his interview on BOSS Radio's Reggae Hour. You can find him on YouTube. You can find him on every streaming platform. It's a live session, baby.
Society with you and me, and the deeper in community in peace and harmony with all humanity. From the mountains to the valleys, from rivers to the sea, whether mansions or alleys, we are one eternally. If you wanna be happy, then love eternally. Treat your neighbor as yourself and you will see true liberty.
Just let your love flow, let your love grow. Strong are the roots planted deep within your soul. Love will conquer hate, love will conquer fear. Love is all around, love is everywhere. Love is in you, it's also in me. When will we come together in this love and unity? Love is the answer, love is the key. Open up the door and we will live in harmony. You've got to have love in this time. Yes, we really need it. Love, so divine. Nothing can defeat it. Love in this time. Spread it all over. Sweet love, so divine. Only love will conquer.
Like I said, this whole band, we had a great conversation, and you definitely need to check it out on Reggae Hour. You can catch it on your favorite streaming service, but you can definitely check it out here on YouTube. So hit that subscribe button, baby, and you're going to be getting a lot more from BOSS Radio, baby. Let's keep it going right now. You already know we like to keep it old school, so we're going to be bringing some Burning Spear in this mug with some Cure for Cancer, because you know they got it right.
Medical scientists, can't you dig a little deeper? Searching for the cure for cancer.
We need a cure.
Medical scientists, can't you dig a little deeper? Searching for the cure for cancer. Those mothers, they lose their sons, waiting on the cure for cancer.
Waiting on a cure.
Those fathers, they lose their daughters, waiting on the cure for cancer. Medical scientists, can't you dig a little deeper? Searching for the cure for cancer. Take a look at those young and green youths, they passed away, waiting on the cure for cancer. Something is in the air, interfering with all those brains. All those parents, they leave behind in pain. Now that you're gone, broke all these hearts, leave them behind. How we gonna talk? Medical scientists, can't you dig a little deeper? Searching for the cure for cancer. Leaders and scientists, doctors, we need to talk about this. Something could be in the fields, ready to do some healing.
Some healing. We need some healing. Some healing. We need to talk about
Medical scientists, can't you dig a little deeper? Searching for the cure for cancer. All they should have said, sometimes let's try something else. All those great and not so great, they passed away, waiting on the cure for cancer. More money should be spending. Take some money from the military action to help, searching for the cure for cancer. What about the families without medical insurance? Come on, leaders, come give them a helping hand. I think it's one of the biggest problems. Searching for the cure for cancer. I think it's one of the biggest problems. Searching for the cure for cancer.
We need a cure now.
The sunset here and the sunrise over there. The sky and the sea is so far apart yet near. Medical scientists, can you dig a little deeper? Searching for the cure for cancer. Those mothers, they lose their sons, waiting on the cure for cancer. cancer. Medical scientists can you dig a little deeper? Searching for the cure for cancer. Medical scientists can you dig a little deeper? Searching for the cure for cancer.
Searching, searching, searching. Searching for a cure.
I'm gonna take this moment right now and
you dig a little deeper, searching for the cure for cancer.
check out Revolutionary Hour, our other podcast here on BOSF Radio, where we talk about this very topic and more, baby. We even give praise to the Most High on that. So check out where to find us. That's Revolutionary Hour on YouTube and also on your favorite streaming service.
Can you dig a little deeper, searching for the cure for cancer.
Get products in this thing, man. We got products with skanking sweet. So y'all tune in, turn up, and zone out. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, you're stacking on your Mac and it's slipping on your Penton, baby.
Hallelujah. Skanking, grooving. Hey, me, Jaja. Yeah. Skanking, grooving. Under pressure. Yeah, skanking, grooving. Under the pressures of a life and it tough. No stay down, mama, time pick it up. No bother with the down, full style, strictly up, full vibes. I pick it up when the bills, them, the rent and the mortgage due. Yeah, yeah. When me chalice, when your best friends are gone and it's only you. Yeah, like a pass, split, turn up the music. Skanking sweet, everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and the rock with me. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah, yeah. Skanking sweet, everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and the rock with me. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah, yeah. Skanking sweet, for every pain there's a melody, yeah. For every trouble there's a harmony that brings everything together. So make we sing together. And who said life no order? And every man got this struggle. I beg you to help me, Lord, and let me overcome my troubles. Skanking sweet, yeah. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and rock with me. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah, yeah. Skanking sweet, everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and rock with me. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah. Skanking sweet, we skanking till our morning come. Until the day when my troubles are gone. Hallelujah, we're grooving in our Jaja. We're grooving all my troubles away. Skanking, everybody wanna feel like forget your troubles and the rockin'. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah. Skank, everybody wanna feel like forget your troubles and the yeah. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah. So skanking, grooving, forget your troubles and the rock with me. Skanking, grooving, yeah. Body skanking sweet. Everybody was skanking sweet. Body skanking sweet. Body skanking sweet. Yeah. I'm gonna be skanking. I wanna be skanking. I'm gonna be skanking. I'm gonna be skanking. Whoa.
I don't know if you can tell, but I love that song. Every time it plays, tears to my eyes. Anytime somebody's having a bad day, I put this song right there in front of them, and I only ask you for one favor. If you ever see me having a bad day, do the same thing for me. Play the song for me. I guarantee you, everything will be skanky sweet after it. You heard me? Now let's keep it going with some Damian Marley. It was written.
Are you ready? Please welcome on stage. My bigger brother, Mr. Stephen Ragamuffin Marley, y'all.
Well, and it was written, well up in the world.
I give thanks and praise unto the Most High, this girl I used to brightest last side the first. Yeah! Rastafari.
Hey, well, and it was written, well up in the book of life, that a man shall well endure forevermore. Well, and it was written, well up in the book of life, well, I shall well endure forevermore.
Did you know the pen is stronger than the knife? Mankind can kill it once, and they can't kill it twice. Did you know destruction of your flesh is not the ending to life? So fear not of the Antichrist. And did you know that I exist before the earth? And did you know my eyes are windows to the world? And did you know your cargo was higher than a weird Jericho? Okay, I'm reloaded. Thanks and praise unto the Most High.
Hey, well, and it was written, well up in the
I give thanks and praise unto the Most High,
that a man shall well endure forever.
Master of time, the giver of glory.
Well, and it was written, well up in the I and I shall well endure forever.
Did you know the pen is stronger than the knife? Mankind can kill it once, and they can't kill it twice. Did you know destruction of your flesh is not the ending to life? So fear not of the Antichrist. And did you know that I exist before the earth? And did you know my eyes are windows to the world? Hey, did you know your cargo was iron and now we're Jericho? Can't tell the boys from the girls. Your body's just a vehicle transporting your soul. It's what's inside of people is beauty to behold. Fear not of evil. Every day man flesh it grow. Like changes of the times take a toll.
Well, and it was written, well up in the
Nine eyes and gift of Rastafari's everlasting light.
that a man shall well endure.
The wages of sin is death, yeah.
Yes, and it was written, well up in the well, I shall well endure.
Watch for sticks and stones, stop them blocks and piles. Life is one big road stretching miles on top of miles. Hey, now blessed be the soul that always remain a child when most people don't even smile. And there's a natural mystic is blowing through the air, so keep it realistic, please always be aware. Hey, the truth is crying out and it's so loud and so clear, and most people won't even hear. And spiritual pollution is in the atmosphere, and with so much confusion can one be happy here? Hey, the gift of Rastafari is for all men to share. Some would rather to be so unfair.
Yes, and it was written, well up in the
glory unto me and the Most King,
that a man shall well endure. Well, and it was written,
one has to
well
to a
up
dog.
in the well, I shall well endure.
Yo, my lion. Hey, a best around the set and Rastafari is his name. A gift of everlasting life for us to all the same. But blessing that you all begot, lesson that you all forgot. Rasta call like shit you not. Do you remember Elijah? And the chariot of flame, same blood that run through my veins. give thanks and praise unto the Most High, His beyond majesty and pride, His last side first. Yeah, Rastafari, I am the faithful and ever sure, the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, the Conqueror, the tribe of Judah. Elected himself a light of this world, the power to the Prince of Peace, defender of faith, the one who counts lazy. Yes, reggae on the river. I just want to say thanks for having I and I. And until we meet again, Rastafari again and protect the island now.
Good morning, everybody. Yes, sir. Now, you know I'm in the back door it, right? This song right here really touches home, boy. From the Grammy Award-winning Cass Nandi off his Grammy Award-winning album, Blood is Fire. This is Forever Grateful. Forever Grateful, baby.
Pull up a girl, down a yard or some things go. Take a good look inside, there's some just loyal to income. Moving in silence. So much blessings I feel thankful. Fulfilling my dreams, I'm grateful. Fulfilling my needs, I'm grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. The harder it gets, it will change you. And the higher you get, they will hate you. Time gets so dread, it will break you. I'm so grateful. So grateful. In a life when it get hard, 10 toes down, shoulder broad. Drop on my knees and pray to God. It could have been worse, it could have been bad. Not in the earth or in the barn. Not chat to no nurse and live in a ward. We flipping the cash, securing the bag. We double the profit with me and my squad. Not in no barrel, full of a crap. Mind over matter, we stick to the plan. Never yet sell off a couple of grand. Only the farmer can depend upon. Forever grateful, I'm giving the thanks. Living the dream, we know me and the gang. Me and the team did a sink in a sun. We wouldn't be here without all of the fans, yeah. Nah, so much blessings, I feel thankful.
Rise up,
fulfilling my dreams, I'm grateful.
Take on a place in
fulfilling my needs, I'm grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. The harder it gets, it will change you. And the higher you get, they will hate you. Time gets so dread, it will break you. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful.
It's hard for make it out, yeah, them road, yeah, make for doubt, yeah. Ain't stop left, we out, no free, but I say make you shout, no. Them count me out, me count my blessing, them and watch them gross, ready like heaven chose, yeah. The thing I snap, no photo. Got couple black for post up, celebration, get the toss up. The struggle's really close up, you will see this guy's the road tough. But we out, you know, bluff, I fi make it out, you know, rush. Tell them don't touch, the ear no comb, the teeth, them don't brush. Just keep your focus, and love the life you put before us. And trust the process, and trust the journey you adore us. Cause life's a gift, and every day my wakes a bonus. I free my soul up, Cass Nandi come sling the chorus.
So much blessings I feel thankful. Fulfilling my dreams, I'm grateful. Fulfilling my needs, I'm grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. The harder it gets, it will change you. And the higher you get, they will hate you. Time gets so dread, it will break you. So grateful. So grateful.
I'm so grateful. All when you play full.
Everything starts with a vision. Can't live this life without faith. Everything starts with decisions. Now sit down, I get long wait. I feel the life that we have, I forget thanks. Could have dead buried in a one grave. Enough would I pray, but don't fall. For take food right off a plate. Some see the victories and think success overnight. Never see when tea time, all the fourth the time him sacrifice. All of you can call my friends, cause loyalty is overpriced. But them when them see they're not jealous on the rise, yeah.
Rise up, you know.
So much blessings I feel thankful. Fulfilling my dreams, I'm grateful. Fulfilling my needs, I'm grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. The harder it gets, it will change you. And the higher you get, they will hate you. Time gets so dread, it will break you. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful.
Get some top 9 in the building right now. This is Intention Now tell me, what is your intention? Hit that subscribe button, baby.
I'm beginning to wonder about your intentions. Too many instances of deception, too many alibis and excuses, too many attempts to deny the abuses, too many reasons to complain, too many losses, too little gain. The very existence is a strain on the people. I know, 'cause I am woman, so I can see that life don't reside where there isn't no harmony. And I sing 'cause I care and wouldn't want anybody that I love to be circumstanced out of existence. Yes, I'm beginning to wonder about your attention. Where is it focusing? In what direction? Is your life force in execution? Forming opinions or finding solutions? Declaring the victim, sharing the blame, representing the potential for change, but only in name. Then with taxation and oppression, put a strain on the people. I speak what I know. Words are reserved for the true. Not perfect, but aware of the example I set for the youth. And I sing 'cause I care and wouldn't want none of these sons and daughters to go astray when I could have paved the way. Yes, I'm beginning to tire of all these expenses borne by the people, relegated to zinc fences, keeping the resources out of their reach, breeding frustration in the values you teach in the media every day, then deny them a way to attain it, but force them to work and maintain it and not take their share. Then police force the fear into the brains of the people. I know from experience the system is flawed and unfair, so I live outside it as much as I possibly dare. And I sing for justice in a time when the people may be too distracted to even care. My voice will still be there. Have to work so hard, while those with the power keep the plenty for themselves. Meaningless competition for scarce resources in this material-driven world. Our children have no example of integrity and industry and love. And so for these atrocities against humanity, the perpetrators will have to pay. Because I know from experience the system is flawed and unfair, so I live outside it as much as I possibly dare. And I sing for justice in a time when the people may be too distracted to even care. My voice will still be heard. My voice will still be heard. Yes, I'm beginning to wonder. I know 'cause I am a woman.
Star 9, everybody. Like I say, this is about intention. That's why we don't play no slackness here on Reggae Hour Podcast for BOSS Radio. Now, here's a trivia question for you. Who knows what slackness is?
Close your eyes and miss you. Tomorrow I will miss you. Remember, I'll always be true. And then while I'm away, I'll write home every day, and I'll send all my loving to you. All my loving I will send to you. All my loving, darling, I'll be true.
Prince Buster and some ska.
I'll pretend that I'm kissing the lips I've been missing, and hope that my dreams will come true. And then while I'm away, I'll ride home every day and send all my loving to you. All my loving I will send to you. All my loving, darling, I'll be true.
This is the beginning of Sally Brown.
Out last year, baby.
Of Canning Town. Penniless until she was 21. Trying her new silk brown skirt and so. She believes in brotherhood, I tell you. Yes, she used the policy very good. Life burned high in this sunset child. She's crossbred and yet so kind. Savage and simple, melling, mocking. All in a bargain, basement stocking so. She believes in brotherhood. Yes, she used the policy very good. For I have money and many friends. She lives alone in the darkest end. I have comfort and cash and cars. She got eyes like the burning stars. So island, she believes in brotherhood. Kaiso, she used the policy very good. I wait and I watch and I see her waist, the sundog flower and touch and chase, and she belongs to herself as yet, and I am caught in a self-made net. So brotherhood, yes, she used the policy very good. Our dream of bliss, a cardboard man, she implores his kiss, and I you could understand and cherish. Lovely Sally must let love perish. So she believes in brotherhood. Use the policy very good.
Pressure rock, a tooth and make time, baby.
Talking to you. Yeah.
Take love reggae without loving the roots, baby. Right, let's bring it back to the modern era with the Roots Revival featuring Mila H.I.M. Fried plantain, baby. Turn up. This is Boss Radio. Hit that subscribe. You know what it is.
Subscribe to Reggae Hour Podcast on YouTube.
Fried plantain for Sunday morning. Fried plantain for Sunday morning. Let's start spinning time we walk in. Fried plantain for Sunday morning. Fried plantain for Sunday morning. Let's start spinning time we walk in. Well, bright and ting this Sunday morning, I play the fried plantain. That's what we start with. Deep on the side, we sip that real slow. Middle leaves smell nice, we pick what we grow. Yeah, mountain sides, birds fly by, light blue skies, you deep red eyes. This my kind of vibe. None the neighbor know. Reading my flow, so we not feel even box it. No, no. And it's my favorite thing. Linking up with you on a Sunday evening. Yeah, yeah. You know I'm loving the vibe. You wanna keep me smiling. Gotta wake up to mine. Fried plantain for Sunday morning. Fried plantain for Sunday morning. It's that spin time. Oh my, oh my. Fried plantain for Sunday morning. Fried plantain for Sunday morning. It's that spin time we walking.
Yeah. You know I love you like cook food. You fucking with a good dude. If you riding with me, baby, ain't no way you could lose. Welcome to the winning team. You could tell me anything and everything will be alright. You could stay with me tonight. Good if that's what you would like. You take a real woman, make her home feel warm inside. Promise I won't bite unless you got a sex appetite. The thought of you keep my mouth watering, can't even lie. Got me feeling for a slice of that apple pie. You the apple in my eye. Wanna drop my Johnny Appleseed and you and grow an apple tree so we can live happily. You like soul food to me. These other girls is Applebee's. That home cooked meal, traditional feel. Cause I believe what we eat got the power to heal, to kill. The energy is real and I don't take your shit for granted. Take my hand and let's enjoy the fruits and seeds we planted.
Fried plantain by Sunday morning. It's that spin soon as me walk in. Soft brown skin, girl, tell me where you been. Me can't stop a grin and you love me drowning.
Fried plantain for Sunday morning. Fried plantain for Sunday morning. Watch your head start spin when time we walk in. Fried plantain for Sunday morning. Fried plantain for Sunday morning. Hey, your head start spin when time we walk in. Why you give me that fried plantain and breadfruit? Give me my ackee too. You know how I do. Get me like your vibe when you whipping it up in my kitchen. You tough, green juice dripping a cup, little scallion, onion sauté. You know you the party mission all day. Sharp blade slice right through. Know you you not play. Sip lick the Chardonnay, so that my want babe. Yeah, they give me my fried, planting every morning. Yeah, you don't know it's going to be a little breakfast in the morning. Really like seeing in the kitchen, you know. Yeah, so fry up some fried plantain, I kill like a breadfruit. And even if we do it in the kitchen alone, you know, we can go at the riverside, you know, bushpad style. Oh gosh.
What's the deal with international herb? Oh, and you know we better get on this international herb right now.
I took a split this morning on the international herb. It make I feel so groovy. The international herb. It give me inspiration in music. The international herb. Yes. And I just can't refuse it, man. The international herb. My virgin, I love it and I love it, man. The international herb. This band of my life is not above it. The international herb. Take a draw, don't you doubt it, what? International herb. I love it and I love it, yes, man. Run up by England and you see it too. The international herb. Trinidad, Tobago, Montserrat, Antigua, Jamaica, America too. No. Rastafari, yellow eye, Rastafari. Good for your meditation, man. The international herb. The international herb. What are we talking about? I don't hear you. What again? Right. Somebody tell me something, man. Yeah. If I was the president, ruling in America's resident, this is what I would have to tell all policemen. Hey, you see you, Mr. Sheriff? Whenever time you see the marijuana, drive your radio car and leave it on. The people of America really need some privacy. What? Wrap up a traffic the doctor. What? Wrap up a traffic commissioner. What? Another try even for the president too. Say what up? Another try. Yeah. Another try for the lawyer. The rest will let you take it straight to the hospital. Come on, you help me sing. Legalize it. Somebody. Legalize it.
Stop me my track to that one.
Rastamana, boom, Rastamana, legalize it. Legalize it. Legalize it. For the people in yeah.
After that, I'm gonna play Luciano's version. Equal right to justice. No.
Because I know the marijuana.
Sorry, Bunny Wailer's version of Legalize.
Them no want to see no peace, no love, no harmony. What? Tell them about the fussing and the fighting, the war and the big guns buying. That's all they want to see in this society. Jesus have mercy. Legalize it.
with Legalize It Live.
Say legalize it, and I will advertise it. Say legalize it, and I will advertise it. Hear this.
Stop it.
Some call it Tampe. Some call it Kale. Some call it marijuana. And some of them call it ganja. That's why we got to legalize it. And I will advertise it. Say legalize it, and I will advertise it. Here it is. The doctor smoking, the lawyer smoking, the judges smoking, even President Clinton smoking. That's why we got to legalize it. And I will advertise it. Say legalize it. It's the best thing they can do. I want to see all the hands in the air. Keep your hand in the air. If you love the marijuana, keep your hand in the air. If you love the sensimilia, keep your hand in the air. If you love the sweet indica, keep your hand in the air. If you're a planter, if you're a cultivator, say legalize it. And I will advertise it. You know we will. Don't you know that? Say legalize it, and I will advertise it. Here it is. It's good for the flu, don't it? It's good for asthma. We know that. It's good for glaucoma. Yeah. It's good for many kind of diseases. We know, we're never gonna refuse it. We know, we're always gonna use it. Oh yes, that's why we got to legalize it. And I will advertise it. Yes, come on and legalize it. And I will advertise it. Hey, now keep your hand in the air. If you love the marijuana, now keep your hand in the air. If you love your sensimilia, keep your hand in the air. If you love the sweet indica, keep your hand in the air. And I advertise it, advertise it, advertise it. So me say legalize it. I will advertise it. I will advertise it. Keep your hand up there. Enough respect to all the man that plant a good thing. Because without the planter, we wouldn't have no smoker. Enough respect every time to all the oils, to all the ropes, and all the things that is made of the hemp. Because we know that it comes from the emperor. Yes! Every time. That's why we got to. That's why we got to legalize it. Oh yes. That's why we got to legalize it.
Just to give y'all a little bit of education.
Are you feeling out there?
He is not just talking about the point like everybody thinks. Everybody thinks he was just talking about the plant. But see, this is the one thing that should realize, open your eyes up about the plant. You feel me? The plant is going to be partaken of no matter if it's illegal or legal. So he wasn't saying to make the plant legal. He was saying make people legal. Because you can't lock up the plant, but you can lock up people for using the plant. So when he said legalize it, he wasn't talking about the ganja. He wasn't talking about the sinsemilla. He wasn't talking about the herb. Herb grows free. What he was talking about legalizing was humanity, because humanity was being enchained or enslaved because of the plant. So we're going to keep going. We got some Sister Carol, where herbal is natural. You know you listen to the Reggae Hour. Hit that subscribe button, baby.
Urban is natural, natural is vital, vital is vital, vital is total. Urban is natural, natural is vital, vital is vital, vital is total. Be careful of Babylon and them is tricky. Mentally, spiritually, physically. Fix up your water, damage your kidney. If you leave it to them, you will sicky. Take it from me and the herbal picnic. Right now, me gone in a category. I mean, no one of in the Glenardy, my Lanta. Matrin, Santa, Carmagisha. Say, give me a little more on the spring water. If you put the herb tea, me say, on the fire. Keep me temple clean like a jar desire. With veggie and the fruits and a good juicer. Say, how me for lose when me have the blender. Say, don't you forget this a mother culture. Careful of Babylon and them is tricky. Mentally, physically, spiritually. Fix up your water, damage your kidney. You leave it to them and you will sicky. Say, take it from me and the Rasta pick it. Say, right now me gone in a category. Herb is for the healing of the nation. That is what Jackie to each and every one. All you got to do is just understand that the universe works with a very divine plan. Mother culture, the microphone's not come to educate each and every one about the herbal plant. All you got to do is work with Jah, and you will surely understand. Herbal is natural, natural is vital, vital is vital, vital is total. Herbal is natural, natural is vital, vital is vital, vital is total. And the colonna with the cascara, use the cannabis to grow the glaucoma. Nickel and sage help eczema. The chamomile good for the diarrhea. Blood pressure high, sarsaparilla. Part of for AIDS and leukemia. Regulate the allergies, chase the tumor. Say drink the wheatgrass if you have the cancer. Parsley for the lungs, liver and the bladder. Obesity, colon, menstrual disorder. Herbal is natural, natural is vital. Vital is vital, vital is total. Herbal is natural, natural is vital. Vital is vital, vital is total. Herbal is natural, natural is vital. Vital is vital, vital is total. Herbal is natural, natural is vital. Vital is vital, vital. I promise you don't want the table with me and for me job.
Wondering what to give me sick mother-in-law. Only to remember the good cat's claw. To cure rheumatism, also asthma. Over earth, slipper M, handy than qua. Surely I will really tell you what it good for. To build and repair the genitalia. Say take it from me a mother culture. Herbal is natural, natural is vital. Vital is vital, vital is total. Herbal is natural, natural is vital. Vital is vital, vital is total. Be careful of Babylon, and them is tricky. Mentally, physically, spiritually. So fix up your what damage your kid. Believe it to them and you will sick it. Say take it from me and the herbal clinic. Say till you right about me is not category. No, no, me no Dylan and no Highlander. No Santac mansion and no Magisha. Say give me little more of the spring water. They put your herb clean, safe on the fire. Keep me temple clean as such a desire. With veggie and the fruits plus a good juicer. Say how me fi lose when me have the blender. Don't you forget of me a mother culture. Use the honey and not the sugar. Right now me and the roots
It's not bread and butter. Once again, off that fire reggae album of the year.
100 pounds of cali every week. Tell the plug by Monday morning it a reach. I feel by the flour when it's sticky and a reek. We learn forget the product circulating in the street. When it come to bread and butter, no, me not in a teeth. Come to film time, then nothing never skip a beat. For double up your profit, it takes style and technique. And careful are the ones them that will sell you out for greed. Every day and night we hustling. Families depending on we juggling. We plant the seeds and it a blossom in October. Watch the blessings in my cup around net over. Yeah. A pound of the exotic, it not cheap. It purple and it pretty and you love it from your seat. It have the shape and all the body and physique. It have the type of gas that make you have a triple seal. Have a seal a ganja tight is a must. Cause we pack it up so enough. When we send it go a dump on a big ganja box. We arise and a bust the other artists them a puff. Cause we pay for few album and we own a video. When it come to bread and butter me knocking no deep. Come to film is time, then nothing never skip a beat. For double up your profit, it takes style and technique. And careful are the ones them that will sell you out for greed. Every day and night we hustling. Families depending on we juggling. We plant the seeds and it a blossom in October. Watch the blessings in my cup around that over. Coulda be a pound, coulda be a gram, coulda be a ounce. This coulda never be a chance. Oh, me so skillful when me a flip it. Transactions involve millions. The way you want it, I can ship it. From me a plant it, it have to be sticky. Stink like a armpit when me a pick it. Slap on your mess like a 6 in a cricket. Some call me Gasco, me a do a sale. Me a do sweet smell mixed with the propane. Me no sell drugs, me no sell cocaine. High heel is a sip on my gold chain. From the bus down to the retail. Me a sell high grade from a teenage. Me no do just phone, me no feel safe. So no chat from my line in a detail. When you come to bread and butter, me knocking no deep. Come to film time, then nothing never skip a beat. For double up your profit, it takes style and technique. And careful are the ones them that will sell you out for greed. Every day and night we hustling. Families depending on we juggling. We plant the seeds and it a blossom in October. Watch the blessings in my cup around that over. Every day and night we hustling. Families depending on we juggling. We plant the seeds and it a blossom in October. Watch the blessings yours. Watch the blessings yours I run it over. Over. Not a dreadlocks I win them over.
Mapleton, Prophet rides again.
Rise. Alright. So let's say the first, For the better and the best. Until them hard work that are the key to success. No come here so we chill. And make them know the prophecy will have to fulfill. Then come the prophesy. And burn out all the shit and them and burn out all the spy. And rise up with the truth. And still come to motivate the youth. Alright, them wonder how we do it and survive. Them wonder how we do it and stay alive. Them wonder how we do it and survive.
I true the cleanest how we are and true when I go compromise. No wonder how we do it on the rise. Them I wonder how we do it and survive. Them I wonder how we do it and we still stay alive. And the cleanest how we are, we survive. Alright, it's not about the vanity, it's not about the fame. Longevity, that is the name of the game. You have to know how to claim and know to reclaim. Well, righteousness, me say we have to come proclaim. Have to manifest. Well, righteousness, they get to use them on the stress. Rise above the sea and give a lot of praises to His Majesty. Rise above the grudge until them know them out. Them must carry some love. And burn out all the greater than the spice. So me say, it's not about your vocal and it's not about your wealth. It's not about your vanity, it's not about your wealth. It's not about your counter and it's not about yourself. It's all about the other and it's all about yourself. It's all about your links and no one else. It's not about your dollars and it's not about your cent. It's all about a clean and a clear conscience. The prophecy mistake makes sense. Yo! For the better and the best. Until them hard work that are the key to success. No come here so to chill and make them know the prophecy will have to fulfill. Them up the prophesy and burn out all the hate and them and burn out all the spite. Rise with the truth and right I know I'm motivate the youth. When them choose, bless them Jah. When them choose, bless them Jah. When them do, bless them Jah. Send them true. Come again. When them true, bless them Jah. When them do, bless them Jah. When them few, bless them Jah. Send them true. Whoa. When them true, bless them Jah. When them do, bless them Jah. When them true, bless them Jah. Even if them few, bless them. And burn up all the traitor them and burn up all the spies. Now come here so fit chill and make you know the prophecy will have it fulfill. Rise above the grudge and tell them that them heart them must carry some love. North, south, west and east and ready for to put the fire upon the mark of the beast.
Never stop us from growing. Na, 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 na. 2 Thessalonians 3 verse 10. Amen. He who does not want to work shall not be fed. It was written, it was said. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Hustling in on me blood, coffee eating on the mud, through the fire and the flood. Listen to my every word. We the strongest of the strongest. That and the dream, coffee hit me and the team. All my kids them a fi clean. We the strongest of the strongest. We will be here the longest.
Hustler from the birth, diamond in the dirt. My pants used to tear, me never have the shirt. One suit of school uniform will make it work. Hurry the chicken back, or we'll make it jerk. Where we grow up, Santa never show up. December we celebrate, January slow up. Them know how we elevate, make them watch we blow up. To every ghetto youth you great, go and get your dough up. Pretty get your glow up, nails on your toe up. Them no love to see the growth, it sit them never throw up. Watch we as we go up, my sisters and my bro up. Jah watch my every step, the blessing just a flow up.
Cause hustling in on me blood, coffee eating on the mud, through the fire and the flood. Listen to my every word.
We the strongest of the strongest.
We will be here the longest. Hustling in on me gene, rotten rich that and the dream. Coffee hit me and the team, all my kids them a fi clean.
We the strongest of the strongest. We will be here the longest.
Still a flip a dollar faster than a lightning McQueen. My born as a mother money making machine. So down in a Jamaica, every man have a dream. One day we see them face up in a first magazine. The Rasta flag have 3 color, but we favorite are green. Set up on the black and we a serve every fiend. Take it back to Sherlock, share it up with the scheme. Make every
every girl I run out of them house and I scream. And I tell me say them ready fit take one for the team. She love the vegetables but she prefer the cream. Hustling in my blood, my DNA and my genes. I got that dollar sign blood type, you know what I mean.
Cause hustling in my blood, coffee eating at the mud, to the fire and the flood. Listen to my every word.
We the strongest of the strongest. We will be here the longest.
Hustling in my gene, rotten rich that are the dream. Coffee hit me and the team, all my kids them a fi clean.
We the strongest of the strongest. We will be here the longest.
From a penny to $1, from $1 to a bill, from 100 to 1,000, once you quint me get a mill. From a house and the flat to a mansion on a hill. You da swear say your jugs are a aisle man a drill, but a music we push, gangsta no sell pill. I ain't greater than no bush, Sherlock to Coville. All the youths them surviving at the streets them skill. So much innocent lives the system them kill. Unnecessary blood by the drums them spill. So the devil laugh, the death receipt them fill. If I them alone bowl to the meat Glen Mill. So we go feed brawling in the street then chill.
Cause hustling in my blood, coffee eating at the mud, to the fire and the flood. Listen to my every word.
We the strongest of the strongest. We will be here the longest.
Hustling in my gene, rotten rich that are the dream. Coffee hit me and the team, all my kids them a fi clean.
We the strongest of the strongest. We will be here the longest.
Make sure to hit the follow button or subscribe to Reggae Hour Podcast on YouTube.
King Selassie, I praise always. Oh, love is mine. Rastafari, I know.
Reggae Island, baby. Them a liar.
See growth, so I know I must endure. I know for talk, yes, I know them a liar. Them not hide something, Messiah. Hey, over hills, I see them a vampire. I hail King Selassie. Well then, where them want come to life from? Show man a real prophet like Elijah. Wash up me up with the tranquilizer. Please just calm on Elijah, cause them a move deceptive like Delilah. Kill off the use what we still Isla. Man a real for rain, currency piler. Politicians enough to realize that I say boom, corruption, addiction. Country be about abyss land. People head them more addict pan. That can't fix with a magic wand. So for the king's highway me a shot it hand. I listen I see the baddest man. Hey, get the youths don't fear them. Whenever man comes around, Lord. Juvenile you the king select. So use the intellect. No wanna swing the deck. I look at think for deck. I wanna blink for neck. We out the chat where the big the deck. Hey, bigger heads don't break the street. It's a straight deceit. So would have read to eat. Till you read to bleed. No too late to see. Revolute. This are the day for it. Know the truth. Bigger heads hold the storm. The funny podium. And all I show the guns. In all the streets for the youths go below the ground. Broad daylight them and throw you down. Hey, government now pave the way. Them all a shave the pay. Till we in our grave like some slavery days. Yeah. I know for talk. Yes, I know them a liar. Them now I suck the Messiah. Hey, over hills I see them a vampire. I hail King Selassie. I slew wicked heart with me Rasta Empire. Watch the fools them a run when the fire blazing redder and higher and hotter. Hail King Selassie. Well, this a fire hotter than the teapot we burn from the stove. Hotter than the hottest song we ever come around. Hotter than the speaker we bust through your dome. Hot like the fire we a burn down a road. Big up so Rasta man with the militant style. You feel no say me burn devil profile. And me say Ash is zero tolerance a pedophile. Lyrics flow so sweet like the river Nile. Hey, and me a come to convince you like Christ now. Rastafari is real, what's your choice? Don't you be late, my friend. No. Say I hope you be ready. Cause all of a talk, yes I know them a liar. Them not hide something Messiah. Yeah, over hills I see them a vampire. I hail King Selassie. I slew wicked hearts with me Rasta Empire. Watch the fools them a run when the fire blazing redder and higher and hotter. Hail King Selassie. Hail King Selassie. Yeah, Rastafari is real. Cause every seed I sow, I see it grow. So I know I must endure. Rastafari is real. Yeah. And I'm confident, you know. Be wise in these times. Well then, all of a talk, yes I know them a liar.
Yes, they are. Them a liar because them a part of Babylon. And I'm going to tell you some real honesty right now. There has been ongoing debate about the divinity of Haile Selassie. People use the main argument that he said that he was a follower of Yahshua, that he was a follower of Jesus Christ. And he is. He said that. He definitely got baptized in the name of Jesus Christ and everything. But I do want to bring one thing to everybody's attention. And Jesus Christ, or Yahshua HaMashiach, actually said that he was a follower of Moses and the law of Moses. Just like Haile Selassie said that he was a follower of Yahshua. Yahshua said he was a follower of Moses and the law of Moses. So we're going to be talking about what that concludes to in our Revolutionary Hour podcast. Then we will cross over to Reggae Hour later on. But I definitely want to invite y'all to subscribe also, not just to Reggae Hour, but also to Revolutionary Hour. You'll be able to find it on every streaming platform as a audio podcast. The video podcast will still be here on Reggae Hour on my YouTube channel here. But I just want to say that right there is definitely something that needs to be discussed. So Mr. Ian Zionia will be conducting a heavy discussion talking about fact-based evidence and the divinity of Haile Selassie. All right, so we're going to keep it moving. We got one more song, and then we up out of here. I hope y'all enjoyed these 2 hours of straight roots, straight ska, straight, but not straight, all of it was a mixture. But I hope you got to enjoy some great music today, whether it be reggae, ska, or whether it be dancehall. And to reaffirm, we don't play no slackness here. And if y'all ain't found out what slackness is yet, slackness is that bull crap that you hear that has no meaning, has no substance, that is degrading to not only men, but also definitely to women. We don't play that nowhere near here. So make sure y'all tune in, turn up, and zone out. If you got a great spirit, if you are grateful, you give thanks to the Most High, and if you're still fighting for freedom, this here is Reggae Hour. Subscribe today, baby. Black but mountains to climb. We out of here.
To mountains to climb. Oh my, I've got to keep my head up in the sky. I say, higher heights to reach. True speech, and it's a one leap I get to youth. I've got to teach patience to learn. To whom concern, correct you know I get to youth's turn. Who can you go feel? I'm telling them to real. Babylon want to dish them a raw deal. The system want to trap them. Cameras on every corner just to watch them. Now, soldiers and police want put them in a jail cell. Them want to shut them down. And they're just a product of a cold environment with no place to run to. Now, give praises to the one who wears the crown. I got mountains to climb. Oh my, I've got to keep my head up in the sky. I say, higher heights to reach. True speech, and it's a one leap I get to youth. I've got to teach patience to learn. To whom concern, correct you know I get to youth's turn. Who can you go feel? I'm telling them to real. Babylon want to dish them a raw deal. I must stand for truth and for right, so I give Jaja thanks for my life. I know I was born with a purpose, I must shine my light, so I give Jaja thanks for my life. Through all the stress, sacrifice and the pain, Jaja give I the strength to maintain. Give thanks to the king that I'm a royal son, and I've got more works to be done. I got mountains to climb. Oh my, I've got to keep my head up in the
sky, I say, higher heights to reach. True speech, and it's a one leap I get to youth, I've got to teach. Patience to learn, to whom concern. Correct, you know what get to youth's turn. Who can you rub a feel? I'm telling them to read. Babylon want to dish them a raw deal. Can you stand the test of time? Don't you worry, keep your head up. Jah will be by your side. You won't fall if you can fly. I'm a living example of that to testify. I and I got mountains to climb. Oh my, I've got to keep my head up in the sky. I say, higher heights to reach. True speech, and it's a one leap I get to youth. I've got to teach. Patience to learn, to whom concern. Correct, you know I get to youth's turn. Who can you rub a feel? I'm telling them to read. Babylon want to dish them a raw deal. The system want to trap them. Cameras on every corner just to watch them. Now, soldiers and police want put them in a jail cell. Them want to shut them down. And they're just a product of a cold environment with no place to run to. Now, give praises to the one who wears the crown. Now you got mountains to climb. Oh my, I've got to keep my head up in the sky. I say, higher heights to reach. True speech, and it's a one leap I get to youth. I've got to teach. Patience to learn, to whom concern. Correct, you know I get to youth's turn. Who can you rub a feel? I'm telling them to read. Babylon want to dish them a raw deal.
And we climbing it, and we taking it all the way to the top, baby.